why this book is making hundreds of dollars every single month, and this book is not making any single dollar, although they are both in the same niche, and maybe they have, even if they have the exact same title. So what's wrong with this one? So of course there are many factors, but one of the main factors that affect publisher and lead them not getting any single sale for their book is their cover design is bad. So for example, this cover design is so bad. Compare this cover design to this one. Which one you are going to buy if you have the choice? This one or this book? Of course, all of you will go to this one. So this one doesn't look professional because of one main thing, which is the color. So here, roster, the TER isn't clear because the text is in pink and the rose behind it is also in almost the same color, different degree, but it's still not that clear. So there are some problem in the color combination here. And by the way, you don't have to be expert in colors and designing. No, you don't have to. And by the way, I will show you a free tool that help you combine all colors, 2 colors, 3 colors, 4 colors easily and for free. So look at this. Look at these appealing, eye-catching covers. They are so nice and the text is really clear. However, if we go to this one, for example, what is this? What is this? How can we read this? I barely can read 1970s word search puzzle book. In the cover design, there is a puzzle that you can solve, that you can find out how you can read this text. So you don't need to make a challenge for the customers to read your cover. Make it easy. Make it as easy and as catchy as possible. Don't make it difficult for the customer to see your cover and read your title, because customers will see your cover before the text. So when you are scrolling on Amazon, almost everyone is watching the picture, the cover design, in case it's book. So the first thing that the customers see from all of your work, from all of your effort that you put on cover design, title, subtitle, description, keywords, categories, and so on, and interior, the first thing that you are gonna see is your cover design. So make it as catchy as possible, make it as different and as clear as possible. Don't make it like shit. What the hell is this? Guys, if you are making books like this and you are blaming Amazon algorithms that they don't promote your books, shut your mouth. Because what is this? I hope, guys, that you are not doing a job like this, as bad as this. So everyone, learn. If you don't know how to create these cover designs as good as this, learn. It's not difficult. And there are so many tools that help you do it. BookBolt, for example, help you a lot. If you don't want to pay Canva, for example, and if you don't know how to combine colors together, I will show you a tool later in this video, how to combine colors easy. So look at this example, another example, the same problem, and I see it a lot. So the text isn't clear. You should and you must make it clear. Clear text from the background. So the first thing is the font. So many fonts are not clear. For example, this font here is really clear and you can read the title very easily. Word search for kids aged 4 to 6. So imagine if your book is like this, and when people see the cover design, they mostly see it maybe on their phones, so it will be a lot smaller. So it will be tiny, and they barely can read the title and the cover design. So you should make it clear, very clear and easy to them. So this is one thing. The other thing is, don't make designs like a 6 years old child. So I know there are some tools that help you, but don't just be idiot and just grab a background, random background, fit it in the Canva, and put some elements. They are not matching. You must have a theme in your book. So don't just put random things. So for example, this one, mm, I mean, the main problem here is the matching between text and background because it's so bad here, but also some elements that doesn't make sense here. Okay, so I hope my point is clear because the cover design is really, really, really important. It's one of the main things that help you get sales. And of course, from the first book you are gonna make, it will not be as good as the last one. So it's and ever continuous improving journey. So for example, this book is not that bad. So the previous books that I've showed you are worse than this one, but this one has one problem. This element here. So this element, it's not clear at all here. What's here? I can see that there is a number which is 80, but what does that mean? 80 what? It's not clear. If you look inside, you can barely see more than 80 images in this coloring book. So it's not clear and it doesn't fit. So if it was my book, I would remove this mark here because it's not that important to add it in the cover design and destroy and damage all the theme from this red mark that you can't read. So remove it. Another thing that I notice a lot on, so another one here, what the hell is this? So I have dig down in the deep Amazon to find those cover designs because they are what makes sense that Amazon will not show those cover designs in the front page, of course, but I've digged in and sorted by newest to see the newest mistake that publisher are making. So this one, for example, skydiving graph paper notebook. How the hell I'm gonna read this? Tell me, guys. What is this? What is this? And this publisher, sorry if you are watching Paul Isol, I don't know how to pronounce it, but and you made two books with the same shitty cover design. What the hell is wrong with you? Skydiving paper notebook, and he changed I think the size. So this one is 8.5 by 11 inches, and here's 6 by 9. Changed the size and the number of pages and everything. I think almost the same. Here's is grid and here's line. So this, sorry, but the cover design is bad. It will be much better to put this circle here on above or under, and this the text is matching the background without this element, so we can read it at least. Okay, and this one also, I mean the text is not that clear. You should make it bigger than this one because you have space here, and the colors are, I think they're really good. So when you are making a book, especially if you are a beginner and not making that much sales every month, show it to others, show it to other people like your family members, like your friends. Okay, Paul is so, when you make things like this, show it to others and say, are you gonna buy this shitty book from Amazon, yes or no? And when more than 3 people tell you that no, then delete the book or change the cover design because this doesn't work. You are not gonna make sales and you're not gonna make passive income and money from Amazon by doing these bad cover designs. And I told you millions of times, you don't have to be expert. Just make things that look nice. Ask yourself. So for example, if you made this cover on an animals coloring book, roster coloring book, okay? Ask yourself, am I gonna buy this book or this book? Which one is better? Ask yourself first. If you said no, change it. If you said yes, show it to more people. So show it to your friends, to your family members, and ask them, which one are you gonna buy? this one and or this one, and don't tell them that this is yours and this is from Amazon. Okay, so this is another way to check, because sometimes people spend much time creating their cover design and they think that it's good in their mind because they put some effort creating it, but in reality it's bad. So you should be honest and strict with yourself, okay? Because it's business, and business is not lying. The good designs will be bought and the bad ones will be ignored. And another thing is, don't spam many books at the same time, same niche, same interior, same cover design with slightly different size, okay? That doesn't work because Amazon will consider it as spamming on their system, and it's bad for customer experience, which Jeff Bezos cares about. Okay, so look at these beautiful, catchy, appealing cover design. Look at them. Look at them. Not very complicated, good combination between colors, and every element is making sense in that design. So you are awesome. The cover design is awesome, not me. And this one is targeted for women, for example. This one is really good. So those are making sales because their cover designs are good, not like I've shown you here and here, these bad designs. So the tool that will help you a lot improving your ability to match the colors and combine colors is Canva color wheel. So this free tool from Canva is gonna help you a lot, believe me. So here they explain for you the color combination. So these two colors, the three colors from the same but different degrees, here are also another three combination and four combination. So read this briefly, and here is the tool. So here you decide which color. For example, you decide this blue color is here, then it will give you the combination, the matching color, the other one. Okay, and if you want to change the degree, the thickness and darkness of that color, you can change this dot here, okay, like this, to make it lighter or darker as you want. And if you want, for example, three colors, so change this to this one. And here are the in the same, I don't know, primary colors, or I'm not that expert in colors, but here also three, but from different sides like this. So when you choose, for example, this combination of these three colors, then you just copy this code here and paste it to your Canva or any web designing tool that you are using. Okay, so these are here ready for you, and here that ready is if you are using four colors. So yeah, so four colors and all combination are ready to use. So use this tool. You will find the link for this tool in the description down below.